Hello everyone, today's video is going to be a cook and clean with me. Before I got started cooking, I cleaned up the kitchen because I don't like to cook in a messy kitchen. I'm using this Cerama Bright stovetop cleaner to clean the stove, and I'd already put it on the stove and started scrubbing the stove, and then I realized that I forgot to turn on the camera, so I didn't get that beginning part on here. And I always have this stovetop cleaning kit linked down in my description box because I get lots of questions about it. Once the kitchen was cleaned up, I started on lunch, and for lunch today I am making taco salad. So I started by cooking the meat, and the meat that I'm using is ground deer. Usually I use ground beef for taco salad, but I didn't have any beef. All I have left is deer in my freezer, so I had to use that. And you can use any type of meat for taco salad. You could use ground turkey, you could use chicken. If you have leftover roast, you could shred that up. And once the meat was cooked, then I put this whole packet of taco seasoning on the meat along with the water. You just follow the instructions on the back of the taco seasoning packet. It's pretty simple. Once the seasoning was mixed in, I put the lid on it and just let it simmer for a little while to help bring out the flavor. And then I started cutting up some tomatoes so that we could have diced tomatoes on our taco salad. And I like to clean as I'm cooking, that way there isn't such a big mess at the end. And then after that was washed, then I started to cut up the lettuce because we like to have chopped lettuce on top of our taco salad. And I'm just cutting up the leftover iceberg that we had in the fridge. You can use any type of lettuce. So now it's time to eat lunch, and I'm going to show you how we layer our taco salad. The first thing we do is take a handful of tortilla chips and crush those on the bottom of the plate. And then after that, we add our ground beef or chicken, whatever you used for your meat mixture. And then on top of that, we put some shredded cheese. And this is my husband's plate that I'm plating, so he likes a lot of cheese. That's why I put so much cheese on there. And then I added diced tomatoes, and then after that I added some sour cream. He also loves lots of sour cream. That's why I'm putting a lot of sour cream on here. And after that, I put on a layer of that iceberg lettuce that I chopped up, and then to top it all off, I put some taco sauce on top. And if we don't have any of this red taco sauce, then I will just use picante sauce. And you can put anything that you want on your taco salad. It's good to add like black beans or guacamole, or you could just chop up some avocados, pretty much anything that you want. But this is usually what we will put in our taco salad. And then I also made some sweet tea, so we had some sweet tea with lemon in along with the taco salad, and it was really yummy. My husband said 3 different times that this taco salad was really yummy, so it must have been good. And then after we were done eating lunch, I finished cleaning up the kitchen. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and as always, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye!